Summer Rae with a great opportunity here tonight against the Divas champion, Nikki Bella.
I gotta say how great Nikki Bella is. She actually, with the compassion of a champion, says she actually feels sorry for Paige.
Yeah, well, Paige says, hey, listen, fellas are everything I'm not. Summer Rae kicks out. My life is what happens in the ring. I'm not into the immediate runway model. Pick up a quick victory over Summer Rae.
Runway models are...
Yeah, so is Paige. You couldn't take two bigger opposites between the Bellas and Paige. It's like,
so what a great role model this is. Push-ups in the middle of the match. Oh, she's advocating fitness. Something Franklin Arnold did back in the 70s.
You're really comparing the Bellas with Nikki Bella to
the leaders, role models.
What Nikki said earlier, saying to Paige, you know what, you can live in your own house, but you live in the Bella's world.
Yeah, pretty much sums it up. Great kind of her to have Paige have her own house. You live in the Bella world.
Right now, Summer Rae is controlling Nikki Bella. Well, Paige has the opportunity to change things Sunday at the bank, and she get knocked out. Nikki been a very successful. Nikki Bella, there's a cover by Summer Rae to pick out. Just a few days shy of 200 days as the here to title contention as Nikki kicks out.
Would be a huge victory for Summer Rae.
And there's Paige looking on. There's another opportunity in the championship series of last year. Here's the thing. I don't know if what Paige says is accurate that the Bellas are holding down the Divas division, but I know Paige, when she fixates her mind on doing something, you can't deter her.
It's a matter of sun in the eyes, shoes untied. It's a matter of excuses.
And it's a matter of bracket tagline. Nikki Bella, the question is, will that be the fate of Paige Sunday at Money in the Bank?